Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Impressive home mats are not just practical additions but also play a significant role in elevating the aesthetics and ambience of living spaces. These mats come in a variety of styles, materials, and designs, making it easy to find a perfect match for your home's decor. Whether it's a welcoming doormat, a cozy area rug, or an elegant runner in the hallway, impressive home mats can set the tone for the entire room. They not only protect floors from wear and tear but also provide comfort underfoot. From the vibrantly patterned mats that add a pop of color to your entryway to the soft plush mats that invite relaxation in the living room. The options are vast. The choice of materials such as natural fibers, synthetic blends, or eco-friendly alternatives allow you to align your decor with your values. These mats can seamlessly blend with various interior styles, be it modern, traditional, or minimalist. Moreover, impressive home mats can be functional art pieces, bringing in elements of texture, warmth, and personality to your living spaces. They provide an opportunity to express your style and making a lasting impression on guests while serving a practical purpose. Whether you're aiming for a warm and welcoming entrance or elegant and comfortable interior, impressive home mats are a versatile and essential part of home decor. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Design channel.